Thinking about earning free Robux, gift cards, or even real cash just by completing a few simple tasks on cpxpro.com? It definitely sounds like an easy win, play games, take surveys, answer quizzes, and walk away with rewards. But hold on for a second before you get too excited. There are some serious concerns that need your attention. At first glance, cpxpro.com looks like a dream come true for anyone looking to make a quick buck or get in-game perks without paying a dime. But as you dig deeper, the cracks begin to show. One of the biggest red flags is the flood of overly positive reviews online, which feel fake and generic, almost like they're part of a script. That's not all many users have reported, spending hours completing tasks only to find out that the promised Robux or gift cards never arrived. On top of that, the site makes big payout claims without offering any actual proof, and if something goes wrong, there's no real support team to help you out. Emails go unanswered, and there's no clear way to contact anyone responsible for the platform. Plus, there's a complete lack of transparency about who owns or operates the site, no company name, no address, nothing you can verify. All of this makes it hard to trust what cpxpro.com says. While it might not be an outright scam, it definitely raises enough doubts to make you think twice. If you're considering using it, just be aware that your time and effort might lead to nothing, and the rewards they promise could just be bait.